Hello, welcome to my Instagram. My name is Daniel. This is my personal channel, and I'm actually going to post stuff related to digital health. That's like tech and then health. So from IoT to AI to cybersecurity to data analysis. I'll do research analysis. I'll be reviewing research work and talking about health startups, digital health startups out there, anything related to the guitar health. But then we have like a group on Telegram where you could actually join us. We talk about the guitar health, like research. You could ask questions. You have a research you're actually working on that you want, someone to help you on your data analysis and then all this kind of stuff. You could ask questions, and then someone in the group probably will help you sort things out. That's actually part of our outreach as a consult. So we assist people in doing their research work, in doing their data analysis, in their research methodology. We don't do people's research work for them. It's unethical. You can contact us anytime from anywhere, then we could actually partner with you and help you complete your work. But we also do what them as proofreading, editing, and assistance. We more or less like be like in between you and your supervisor. So we help you plan your work, write it for, all this kind of stuff, edit them before you send them to your supervisor. So as part of what we do as a consult, I noticed one thing: a lot of people are not really interested in doing their own research work, so they post their research work on platforms like Upwork and like all the freelance platforms that people should assist them with their data analysis and all sorts of things. It's not actually bad trying to seek help too, but then I think it's very good like people actually embark on their research work 100% and then try and figure things out on their own. So yeah, like 3 basic reasons I think so. The first thing is what I refer to as the problem solving model. So before most people embark on a research work or a dissertation or a thesis or something, that's usually most of the time is their first time, especially at the undergraduate level, like in doing such a thing. And then in project work or dissertation, most of the time you have to state clearly the problem you're trying to solve. So that's a skill set people actually learn, which is more like can be applied in different ranges of like disciplines, like from social science to startups. You actually want to pitch a business, you have to state clearly the problem you're trying to solve. Who are you trying to solve the problem for? Why do you think they need that solution? All those kind of things. It helps you think through every single thing, which is the problem statement. And then what you have to do is like you look out there for solutions out there. So which literally can be likened to the same thing. In literature review, you review other people's work, what they've done. Is there a need to repeat what you're trying to do? Are you trying to do something different? Can you learn from their mistakes? Can you learn from what they've done? That can be done. And you implement them. That's literally like implementation of your business model. And then you look at the outcome, then make corrections, like as in your methodology, and then your results, and then your recommendation. That's like making corrections. So like literally, it's a very good skill that people actually go through, like thinking through well, and then a good methodological approach to solving problems, which can be applied to a wide range of disciplines. The second thing is, if you have any interest in academia, you should take this very serious. Most of the time, if you actually work on an advanced studies, if you have a very good and in-depth understanding of certain skills like data analysis with IBM SPSS, Excel, Python, or R programming, and understand data analysis very well, it makes your work way easier. And then the research methodology, it makes doing like writing your own thesis way easier. I think the secret in like people publishing a lot of work is discipline and then good understanding of research methods and then the approach to research writing. And so if you want to achieve a lot in academia, I think having the skill sets at your fingertip, having a good research writing skill, a good understanding of research methodology, a good understanding of data analysis will put you like, it will literally accelerate the whole process of like thesis writing, dissertation, thesis writing, and then increase the number of academic publications that you're going to do. So that's a very good thing. If you're really interested in anything academia, you should master research methodology, you should master data analysis, you should master it very well. And then the third thing is specific skills you're going to acquire in the whole process of like research work. For example, me personally, the first time I did anything related to data analysis was literally when a group of people like contacted me that they wanted me to help them with their research work. That was the first time I actually did anything like that. Where used I actually didn't even use my Excel. I used normal analysis, like read them on paper, like did tables and then analyze them, did the calculations manually and stuff. So like that's literally the first time I actually did such a thing. So that whole process of data analysis is now like almost everywhere in business analytics, like all those kind of things. And then even the whole process of going out there to pick questions, and then you find out that what you were doing, what you were thinking is really different from what's out there. That's like literally the whole process of like embarking on research, like more or less like business design thinking. Embarking on research, you actually find out what the users actually want, than what's your than your assumptions on what you think the users want. So like these are specific skill sets. Embarking on research with by creating questionnaires and then sending them to users using like Google Forms and all sort of things, and then data analysis, analyzing the data you collected and making meaningful interpretations from them. That's number two. And then number three is good writing skills. So you get to put what you're trying to what you're thinking about in a very good format that the supervisor could read and understand, or those you are publishing your papers to could read and understand. That's a very good approach to actually like solving problem. So 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 basically those are the things you actually like learn the whole process of doing your own thesis. So I think people should go to the pain to actually learn these skill sets and then apply them on the undergraduate level. And I think you actually use them somewhere in life. As Steve just said, you cannot always connect the dots going forward, but you can always connect it coming backwards. You don't know when those skill sets will be relevant. Maybe you think you actually just want to complete your university degree and then move somewhere, or your GPA is not that good, then meaning you don't want to put in a lot of effort in doing your research work. It's a very critical skill set you should put in effort to actually learn. Probably that will actually help you set you aside and then impact your future more than even your 4-year degree. So that's a very good thing to keep in mind. Thank you. Also, don't forget to subscribe, then like, and then share. Like so, like subsequently, I'm going to like work on projects and then I actually share them here. So probably I'll be posting stuff on data analysis and tutorials and things that I'll be doing. So, and then if you want us to work on any projects or something related to like the health sector or something, you could drop it in the comment section and we'll give it a try. Have a nice day. Bye.